Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best random orbit sander you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best random orbit sander in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Dewalt DCW210D1 Random Orbit Sander. The robust Dewalt is a top-quality portable sanding system that can be used anywhere. The powerful Dewalt cordless sander allows for a wide range of sanding at job sites, especially in situations where no mains power is accessible. It's also built strong to stand up to the inevitable blows. Dewalt's 20 volts max random orbital sander is a great example of the market-leading powered tools that are cordless. While it will require a larger cost than corded tools, it provides professionals with the mix of power, reliability and mobility required to complete any task, any place. The Dewalt utilizes an electric motor that makes one of the best used battery power that is available. Its variable speed is appropriate for all types of materials and is controlled by a dial placed on its front, so that it is easy to access. The upper section of the sander is rubberized molding, allowing for a comfortable grips at any angle that you prefer for the task. For details, let's watch more. Our second best random orbit sander is Makita B05041K Random Orbit Sander. The Makita gives you great control over any kind of finished wood. The Makita can give a powerful sanding to softwood, and also the control needed to ensure smooth finishes on hardwood. Woodworkers require a high degree of flexibility with their random orbital sanders. They often deal with different sizes of workpiece sand softwoods and veneers. It can be a challenge to sand them without going straight across the surface, therefore a precise control is essential. Its Makita Random Orbital Sander's 3 amp motor is powerful enough to do heavy-duty sanding as needed. However, the variable rate allows it to be used on a range of materials. Furthermore, it comes with an easy start that makes it very easy to control and less prone to hitting fragile materials. With just a little over 3 pounds, it's also lightweight. Woodworkers often have to sand large areas, and the movable front handle assists in keeping the sander running smoothly while it's swept across the floor. It can be put away in tight corners. The rubberized grip area also aids in control, and a locking power button allows the user can focus on the sanding process instead of holding the trigger in place. Third pick in our list is Bosch RAS 20 VSC Random Orbital Sander. The Bosch is a compact model that has outstanding sanding capabilities. It is the Bosch palm sander, comes with an enormous range. It can handle quick material removal and perfect finishing. It's also priced reasonably. Bosch has a particularly excellent reputation in what's known as the prosumer market. High-end tools that are targeted towards the DIY enthusiast, however, they also possess the durability and reliability required by professional. Bosch's Bosch palm sander is a part of this category. This 2.5 amp motor might not seem particularly powerful, but it's sufficient for stripping for general purpose and sanding jobs. Its variable speed allows it to have the ability to work using different types of sandpapers and on surfaces that are delicate. The fine dust canister will handle particles up to ½ micron in diameter. It could be used as vacuum extractors using the 1 to 1/4 inch or adapters from 1 to ½ inches available. Its Bosch palm sander features rubberized front and upper surfaces to provide secure grip. While one hand is generally sufficient, it can also accommodate 2 hands to give you more power. It weighs 3.5 pounds and has 8 feet of cord, giving ample reach. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Skill SR 211601 Orbital Sander. The Skill Random Orbital Sander beautiful. It comes with a myriad of high-quality features into an affordable package that it's the best in our book. It has an extremely powerful motor as well as 13,000 OPM, which is able to handle all kinds of substances without strain or stress. It's also vibration resistant and at ease to operate for extended lengths of time. The sander comes with an option to adjust the speed of the sander, which gives you to have greater control over power of sanding dependent on the type of materials or the type of task you're working with. Dust collectors are simple to control and extremely powerful, resulting in an easy experience. The only issue we have with the unit is that it did not include a swappable 6-inch pad capabilities, but at this cost, it's hard to complain. With a 2.8 amp motor and 13,000 rotations every minute, this machine is capable to provide a smooth and consistent performance in a variety of sanding processes. Variable speed control offers the proper quantity of force and precision over various materials. With its ergonomic layout and soft grip made of rubber, your hands remain comfortably seated while counterweight balance decreases hand fatigue due to vibration. This allows you to perform longer. This fast variable speed sander is equipped with the capability and the sophistication to give smooth, uncluttered results while also collecting dust to reduce dust. It's great for sanding on metal, wood and even plastic. Last in our best random orbit sander list is Black & Decker Random Orbit Sander. The Black as well as the Decker is a cheap and light-duty DIY tool. Sometimes, simple solutions are the most efficient. The affordable Black & Decker sander is a basic, yet perfectly adequate tool for a myriad of DIY projects. If you want to remove furniture prior to painting, sand lumber or maybe ease a stuck door, using the Black & Decker is the perfect tool. It's not particularly strong, but it will accomplish the task. It's also priced at a price that almost everybody is able to afford. This 2.4 amp motor should be sufficient for the job. Its fixed speed does not give the motor a lot of range, but it's enough to rip through varnish or paint and ideal for sanding commercially purchased softwoods. The dust collector is able to fill quickly, however the interlocking connector design makes it difficult to connect any type extractor to it instead. But it is true that this Black & Decker user will not be producing large quantities of waste, so this isn't as problematic as that it would be with a professional sander. The weight is less than 3 pounds and the rubberized surfaces make it simple to work at various angles. The cord's length of 8. It includes 3 sanding discs with different grits. They will not last long, but can get the novice user going, and help familiarize them with how each one cuts if it is their first time using a sander.